Hello everyone, here we are again for another session of Seller's Choice Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a fixed value coupon on Shopify. In a tough competition, the one that stands out is the one who gives big or a lot of discounts. Sometimes it's not the brand, sometimes it's not the quality. It all plays out at how you market your product. One of a good example is giving out gift vouchers. Offering discounts for your online store can be a powerful weapon in your conversion arsenal to drive customer loyalty. But used haphazardly, you can do significant damage to your brand or worse, become unprofitable. It's a good thing that you can control the use in giving out discount coupons. We will walk you through how to generate a fixed value discount coupon, or known as a cash voucher. So let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. What you need to do first is to access the Shopify admin. Log into your Shopify account at www.shopify.com. Click the Discounts section on the left side to access the discount list. Since we haven't created any discounts yet, then this page is empty. Just click the Create Discount Code button on the page to start creating your first discount coupon. Enter the discount code. This is the code that you will give out to your customers, and this is the code that they will enter at checkout. You can also use the code and put it directly on your gift check. On the options, select the fixed amount option on the discount type and enter the discount value. For this example, I will grant a $10 discount for this coupon. As you can see that the summary will automatically update on the right. On the Applies To section, select the item and where this coupon is applicable. You can either choose one or more of your collections or products. On the minimum requirement, set the minimum qualification for them to avail the coupon. You can either set a minimum purchase amount or a minimum quantity of items purchased. For this example, since our voucher is for $10, I'll set a minimum purchase amount of $20. For customer eligibility, you can set the coupon to be available to everyone or to a specific group of persons or only to a specific customer. The usage limits section is where you can set the limit of use for this coupon. You can set the number of times that this coupon can be used, and you can also set it to limit it to one per customer. For this example, I just want this coupon to be used 10 times by different persons. Set the dates. These are the dates on when the coupon will be active. If you won't set an end date, then the coupon won't expire. Review the fixed value discount summary. Change the things that needs to be changing, and once you're done, click the Save Discount button at the bottom or Save button on top. It should give you a green callout containing the Get Shareable Link button. Click it and copy the link, and you can use it wherever you like. You can also use the code and share it directly to your social media or any platform that you wanted to use. After creation, you can now see the created percentage discount on the discount list. And here is an example of a $10 gift card they can give out to your customer based on the coupon that we just created earlier. So that's it. That's how you create a fixed value discount coupon for your customers on Shopify. Just so you know that we have a lot of tutorials and webinars on bits of advice on how to run and the applicable techniques for your e-commerce business. You can always visit our site at sellerschoice.digital. and browse through our huge compilations of webinars, tutorials, and blogs. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. See you soon!